Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious crushed tomatoes right in your own kitchen. It's a simple process that yields fantastic results for all your cooking needs. First, choose about 2 to 3 pounds of ripe, firm tomatoes. Give them a good wash and remove any stems. Then, set up your workstation with a large pot of boiling water and a bowl of ice water nearby. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now let's get to blanching. Gently place a few tomatoes at a time into the boiling water. Let them sit for just 30 to 60 seconds, or until the skins begin to crack. Immediately transfer them to the ice bath to stop the cooking process. This quick temperature change makes the skins incredibly easy to peel off. Once cooled, you'll find the skins practically slide right off, leaving you with perfectly prepared tomatoes. With your tomatoes peeled, it's time to crush them. First, core each tomato and remove any tough parts. You can crush them by hand for a rustic texture, or use a food mill for a smoother consistency. Once crushed, add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor and about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The lemon juice helps with preservation and brightens the taste. You can also add a few fresh basil leaves for an aromatic touch. Finally, let's talk about storage. Transfer your freshly crushed tomatoes into airtight containers or jars. They will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. For longer storage, you can freeze them for several months, ensuring you have delicious tomatoes on hand whenever you need them. These homemade crushed tomatoes are perfect for pasta sauces, hearty soups, and flavorful stews, adding a wonderful depth to your dishes. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.